Hi, welcome to my final year dissertation project. This project aims to recognize and track in-air pen gestures using any webcam in order to trigger mouse and keyboard events using Microsoft's DirectX. It's an open source early proof of concept. So firstly, to move the mouse with in-air pen gestures, I have some code that uses OpenCV and some computer vision techniques to essentially track the X and Y coordinates of the tip of the pen. I then map those coordinates to my monitor's resolution using some simple math, and then I pass them to this move to function, which essentially tells DirectX to move the mouse to the specified X and Y coordinates. So if we run this code, we can see that the pen is being tracked and the mouse moves accordingly. And if we drag it to the corner of my webcam screen, we can see that the mouse cursor goes to the corner of my monitor.
This also works in high-end games such as Star Wars Battlefront 2. Here you can see me looking around as a clone trooper simply by using my pen. The stuttering is actually due to the unnatural movement of the mouse rather than the latency of the code itself, and this could easily be solved by writing code to simulate natural human mouse movement. Secondly, to convert in-air pen gestures into DirectX key presses, what I essentially have is 5 zones that all correspond to a specific key press. The middle rectangle actually corresponds to no key presses, and that's for when we want the character to be stationary. And the other 4 areas, the upper half, the left half, lower half, and right half, all can be configured to whatever key that you want. So, for example, if we play Sonic here, you can see that going up means jump, down means stuck, left means go to the left, and right means go to the right.
For my future experiments, I aim to design a simple GUI for setting key gestures, recording gestures to a JSON file, and enabling the sharing of these gestures files to quickly configure games. To achieve low latency, I'm using multi-threading, where I essentially have 3 threads running, one for the main computer vision and OpenCV code, second to check the which area the pen is in, and finally one to trigger the DirectX mouse or keyboard events. This low latency continues into high-end games such as Battlefront 2 and Rocket League.